First test, we're going to try this truck going up Sky Hill. Off the distance is my lake.
Oh, is he going back? He's going backwards. Oh.
Now we'll try it the other way.
We're going for a little water test. We're gonna make it through the 12-foot or the road, 12-foot wide road. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh, Dave's gonna have to walk out. What happened now?
Water.
What happened now?
What happened?
Oh, we sank. Now, how are you getting back over here?
Get my shoes wet.
To walk.
The water's really cold.
Well, I was gonna go swimming in it later today. Two-wheel drive. It isn't four-wheel drive.
Yeah, that's cold.
Well, give us a little water report of what the temperature around is.
I'll give you a water report, but I'm not close enough to shore for me to hear me. There's the water report, asshole. Piece of shit. Yeah, man, what a life. Ugh. Oh, I got my carpet wet. Go! No problem. Gotta use a dodge to take the heavy. Get stuck. Dodge truck.
You gotta use a Dodge to pull out a Chevy. That's funny.
I got a wet floor. Holy crap! Well, that's a complete shampoo in detail for retail. Oh well, she made her. She's still running. Gotta go back and get a beer now. Oh, my shoes are floating away! Fuck! What the hell? Those are brand new! That's hard on your transmission, but he's too dumb to know that. Can't do that hill with torque. Not even the bulldozer can do it like that. You have to have, you have to have momentum. Now you just showed that a Dodge can't get up that hill, but my truck did.
Yeah, but you're going a lot faster.
Well, you can.